Today, I'm going to show you exactly why truckers who gross 30,000 a month are still broke and why some guys running half the miles are quietly building real wealth. If this makes you uncomfortable, then I want you to stay right here because most owner operators think the answer is more freight, more miles, and more hustle. So they wake up early, stay out longer, chase bigger paying loads, and push themselves harder and harder, believing that next week is finally going to change everything. But then the fuel bill hits, repairs hit, taxes hit, deadhead miles, they just keep stacking and adding up. And somehow the bank account still is empty. That's because movement is not the same thing as profit. A truck can stay moving every single day and still be financially unstable. The industry has trained truckers to chase gross revenue instead of building profit retention. And when your business is built around constant motion and not profit retention and not control, numbers are just not going to add up. The real problem is that most trucking businesses are operating without structure. They chase whatever load they can find. They just go after whatever the broker gives them. But random decisions create random outcomes. Chaos creates inconsistency, and inconsistency, it continuously destroys profits. Drivers, they think week to week, while fleet owners focus on building systems. Fleet owners ask, how can I consistently retain this profit? How can I consistently run the same loads in the same lanes with the same brokers and customers so that I can get repeat, consistent, predictable profits, right? This right now is not a freight problem and it's not a market problem. Most truckers right now, they have a structure problem. The trucking industry, well, they convince people that movement automatically creates money. So operators, they just keep driving further and further, running harder and harder, chasing more big numbers, believing that the next load, the next week, or the next rate increase is finally going to fix or change everything for them. But movement is not the same thing as profits. Most truckers are not operating a business. They're operating in what I like to call a survival or chaos loop. And survival cycles always demand more movement, more stress, more sacrifice, while ultimately producing far less control. A trucking company that kind of runs nonstop without financial structure is like pouring water into a bucket with a bunch of holes ripped through the bottom. You can keep filling that bucket over and over and over, but it's just going to pour out faster and faster. This industry has really trained drivers to worship gross revenue. They want to look at, oh, I made $10,000 a week, right? They want to flex on the settlement. They want to celebrate the fact that the trucking company or produced a lot of revenue that week. But what they don't understand is gross revenue without retained profits is just really expense in motion. Think about that for a second. Expensive motion is what happens when you bring in big gross numbers but don't really have anything left after you pay your expenses. Because some operators are grossing huge numbers while quietly drowning in fuel costs, debt pressure, maintenance chaos, tax problems, and emotional decision making. And the reason is really simple. Most operators build their businesses around reaction instead of structure. They chase whatever load pays the most today, whatever broker calls first, whatever lane suddenly looks hot. Then they wonder why every single week feels financially unstable. Because chaos creates inconsistency. Inconsistency destroys your control, and without control, you have no real business. There's just a stressful job with a truck payment attached to it. And unfortunately, that's how most operators are operating today. Here's the split most people in trucking kind of never understand or never see clearly. They have this driver mindset because drivers are always asking, how much can I gross this week? While fleet owners, they have a completely different internal conversation. They're asking, how much can I retain? How much of the gross weekly profits cannot keep on a consistent week to week basis? And really, that one question is what's dividing the line between those who are surviving and those who are actually building a real stable trucking business. The operators who are quietly building real wealth, they're moving completely different. They're operating in tighter lanes, they're running repeatable freight, they have controlled costs, they have weekly discipline planning, and they're operating their operations intentional. They are not running the most miles, they are engineering the best margins. That's why some truckers gross massive numbers and still stay flat broke, while smaller operators are running disciplined systems, are quietly building cash flow, stability, and freedom. One operator is addicted to gross revenue. The other is obsessed with retaining real profits. One operator operates emotionally, the other one is operating strategically. And this is where the identity becomes everything. Drivers, well, most of them are just waiting for the market to save them, while fleet owners are building systems that can really survive any market. That's why weak operators lose money in bad freight markets and in good ones, because the market, honestly, is never really the real issue. The real issue usually is operational chaos. Chaos in lane selection, chaos in cost control, chaos in planning, chaos in scheduling, and really chaos in just a bunch of random bad decisions. Entropy is something that's real. Entropy simply says that without structure, everything naturally drifts more and more towards disorder. That's physics, and it also applies in business. Truckers who never build systems stay trapped in constant reaction no matter how much freight improves, no matter how much the diesel prices go down. So if you're serious about crossing over from being just a driver to a fleet owner, here's honestly what that requires. You need to stop measuring your success by gross revenue alone. You need to stop looking for more loads thinking that's automatically going to mean more profits. More miles does not automatically mean more growth. More hustle does not automatically mean that you're going to have more control over your business. Freedom in this business comes from structure, not from speed. It comes from control, not chaos. From retained profit, not emotional growth spikes. The operators who survive long term, they stop reacting to this market. They start engineering their business intentionally, systematically, week by week, step by step, by building a structure that actually scales. I built a system around exactly this. It's called the fleet formula. And if you want the actual framework, the lane strategy, the cost control systems, the weekly structure, and the operational discipline, I'll be breaking all of that down on this channel right here. So, subscribe. And if you can, in the comments, tell me, are you currently operating like a driver, or are you building an empire like a fleet owner? Remember, execute the formula, control the fleet, own the outcome. I'll see you on the next one.